With the rise of AI in the design and graphics world, many designers are facing what feels like an existential crisis. Anyone can now generate artwork by simply typing a few prompts, and AI can create something in seconds. But here's the truth most people don't talk about. When it comes to vector-based design, AI can help with the concept, but not the execution. AI can help you with: firstly, generate concepts quickly. For example, visual ideas or layout drafts in seconds. Secondly, explore style variations effortlessly, such as trying different moods, colors, or art directions. Thirdly, boost creative brainstorming, helping you break through creative blocks with unexpected combinations. However, AI can't do these. Firstly, precision-based vector design. For example, clean logos, scalable packaging, or print layouts still require human control. Secondly, final production-ready artwork, because AI-generated images often need reworking and aren't suitable as final files. Thirdly, intentional, brand-aligned decisions, as AI doesn't understand your client's brand style guide or business goals. Think like a client. When it comes to an important document like an annual report, would you trust a professional designer or leave it entirely to AI? So, can AI take over your job? Yes, if you don't adapt. But the real threat isn't AI. It's the designers who know how to use AI and automation to their advantage. You need to work smarter, not harder. Automate the boring stuff. Focus on the creative. And free up your time for more side hustles, or to build your brand, grow your business, and explore new clients. Welcome to Design Optimus. As a designer with over 20 years of experience, I'll be sharing the Illustrator scripts I've personally crafted, compiling these tools for you, so you can become a more productive, more creative, and more competitive graphic designer. Whether you're a new designer just starting out, or a seasoned pro looking to speed up your workflow, this course is for every designer who wants to work smarter, not harder. This free course includes 12 short modules, live demos using Illustrator scripts. All tools are ready to use in your design workflow. If this sounds helpful, hit subscribe so you don't miss the next update. Your future self will thank you. Drop a comment below. Do you think AI is taking over design jobs, or just changing how we work? I'd love to hear your thoughts. In Module 1, I'll show you how easy it is to run your first Illustrator script, no coding needed.